Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Jest from J. Huxtello iTech, and today we're excited to bring you an important update from the Youth Employment Agency, YEA, and Ghana Education Service, GES. They've opened applications for various positions in schools, including school guards, kitchen assistants, and community education teaching assistants, also known as CETA. Let's dive into how you can apply. Before applying, make sure you meet the following criteria. 1. Age. You must be between 18 and 35 years old. 2. Education. The minimum qualification required is senior high school education. 3. For teaching assistants, you need to hold at least a diploma from an accredited institution in Ghana. Here's what you need to know about the application process. 1. Contract. Successful applicants will be engaged as beneficiaries of YEA on a 2-year contract. 2. Deployment. Selected kitchen guards will be assigned to secondary schools with boarding facilities. Ready to apply? 1. Visit the official application portal, apply.yea.gov.gh or yea.gov.gh. 2. Follow the instructions on the portal to submit your application. Deadline. Make sure to apply before the 5th of August, 2024. Important notes. 1. Cost. The application process is completely free of charge, so don't worry about any hidden fees. 2. Open to all. This opportunity is available to all qualified individuals. That's all for today's update. If you're interested in these positions, make sure to apply before the deadline. For any additional information or assistance, check out the YEA website or contact their support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates and helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your application. See you in the next video. Take care.